there, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw two ghosts talking. It's going to be very, very, very simple and super for beginners, okay? Very short as well, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is going to draw a curve here on the top of one of the ghost's head. I'm going to go on this side and I'm going to pull down here, back, curve, 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 curve. Over here on this side, curve over here. Alright, gonna go over here on this side. I'm gonna draw the other ghost. And you can make one bigger than the other just to kind of like vary it up. Curve right there on the top. Pull down over here. And curve back. Curve, 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 curve. Circle. Circle. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification for simple Halloween drawings, okay? Go right here, and we'll draw like a line like that. Actually, I'm gonna give him a line underneath that, like he's grading, like they're supposed to be grading each other. What's up? Over here, dot, dot, and smiley face here. If you want, you could draw a word bubble right here. So I'm going to draw a circle right there, near a circle. Line right here. Pull a line over here to make him say something. You can say, what's up? You can write whatever you want in there. And that's it. Very, very simple, like I said, right? Super incredibly simple. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget, check out the main website at sketchingeasy.com. Go check that out. There's a lot of cool stuff on there for you. Talk to you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons, so you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.